Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Life of Tyler, where I try and teach you guys all the different ways that I've built passive income and all the new ways that I'm trying to build even more passive income for myself and my family. I'm a retired stockbroker who invests in real estate, stocks, and crypto. Today I wanted to tell you guys about a crypto investment strategy that I'm using to make over $400,000 in APY. But first, just a quick disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. Anything I tell you is simply for educational purposes only, and you should always understand the risks involved in investing and only invest your money at your own risk. Okay. So recently, I've been using a crypto investment strategy called staking. Staking is basically where you allow some of your crypto of a particular coin to be locked up for an amount of time to be used as collateral. The goal for the coin or token is to create a proof of stake and validate a certain coin or token. Now, I stake with a couple different coins, but one that has really got my attention and really got me excited is HECTOR DAO, and staking the token HEC, HEC. If you're not familiar with what DAO is, it stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and the goal is for the coin to create its own treasury and get off of being backed by the dollar. There's a lot that can go into about how all of this works, but that's not the point of this video, so I'll leave a link to the HECTOR DAO website where you can read all about how it's structured and how it works, their roadmap, and kind of see what their plans are for the future. I can also create another video if you like on how to actually purchase the HECTOR DAO. Just leave a comment below if that's something that you'd be interested in. Basically, here's what you do need to understand. HECTOR DAO is what's called a fork off of the Olympus DAO, which just means it essentially does the same thing but with a different crypto. Also, Olympus DAO works off of the Ethereum network and has much higher gas and other fees, just because Ethereum is more expensive with their fees. So why would I use HECTOR DAO? Well, the company has already gone through some audits, and they've had a solid team. After doing my own research, I think that they have a lot of potential. As of right now, their APY has been fluctuating between, as low as 395,000 to 650,000 APY, but it's been kind of hovering around that 400,000 range. The reason these APYs are so powerful is is because of the power of compounding. Also, as more people start to get into staking, the APY will most likely start going down, so you'll want to take advantage of the higher APY as fast as possible. Also, when you get in sooner, you can usually get in at a better price per HEC coin, which as of the time of right now making this video has been balancing between 197 and 225. Now, this was by far the hardest crypto I had to learn how to stake, and there were a lot of steps and a lot of emotions that went into figuring out for the first time. But after I figured it out, it really wasn't that bad, and you just kind of have to learn the steps. I actually broke down the steps in a PDF, and I attached the PDF in a link below in the description. But again, if you want to see a video, I can create a video for it as well. So what does a 400,000% APY actually look like when you calculate it out? There's actually a calculator on the HECTOR DAO site that actually created a calculator, and I'll post a link to that in the description below as well. You can play around with this calculator and kind of get an idea of what your compounding should look like. But again, keep in mind that the APY and the price of HEC will most likely change over time. So don't get too excited about the long term and kind of look more about what maybe your short-term potential is on it. So let's look a little bit into kind of the calculations and how it should look. Now, I started off by putting in about $2,000, and at the time, my investment was about 10 HEC. Currently, right now, I have 11.48 HEC because of the compounding. Basically, off of its current price and APY, in 30 days, my $2,000 investment should be at about $4,879. If you move that up to 90 days, then that original investment starts to look more like 19,147. And then due to the power of compounding, if I went a full year and if the APY stayed the same, and if the price stayed the same, which again is highly unlikely, then I would technically be looking at 10 million, a little over $10 million, or as the calculator states, 45 potential number of Tesla Roadsters. Do I actually think that that's going to be the case? No, not really. I think that the APY, just like some of the other staking projects, is going to go down significantly as more people get into the project. But I also think that the price of the HEC is going to go up, which is good. And I still think that just because it's not going to make 10 million doesn't mean that it's not a good investment, right? Even if I make just a fraction of that, it's still going to be worth it because I'm making money on my original investment, and it's going up higher than if I was to be in some traditional index funds or something like that, and probably a lot better than most other cryptocurrencies. Now, a couple other things to look at is backing per HEC, and that basically means that right now, if the price were to plummet and there were enough funds in the treasury to have the HEC price have a floor at its backing price, which as of right now is a little over $90 per HEC. So my strategy for staking HEC is to wait about 45 days or so and then take out my original investment. So I'm just playing with the house's money on this and just let it ride until I think it's time to maybe make a move. And then I can move my original investment into hopefully another staking opportunity. So again, I don't invest anything in crypto that I'm not willing to lose, and you probably shouldn't do the same either. But let me know in the comment below what you think about this strategy. Is it a dumb idea? Am I going to lose all my money? Am I going to make a lot of money from it? Am I going to get 45 Tesla Roadsters? Are you planning on staking HEC yourself or any other coins? Are there any other staking opportunities that you've seen pop up that you think are going to be huge winners? Also, let me know in the comments what other types of videos you'd like to see about investing, whether stocks, real estate, or crypto. I'd love to kind of get your guys' ideas on what types of videos you'd like to see. I appreciate your support, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos about investment opportunities. And again, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care.